We're playing Deadbolt today. For no reason other than I found the game and I thought, yes, let's play it. So yeah, start the intro. We're in. Okay, tutorial level. It's dead simple. Funny. I stabbed him to death. Knock knock. It's Jehovah's knife. Knock knock, still Jehovah's knife. Knock knock. I don't know how he managed to flip that table when he was, guess what? A dead. Although he is a zombie, I think, so don't question me. Don't even. Why is there no doors there? Well, knock knock. Oh, I wonder who could be on the inside of a doink. Well, he never figured out his answer. Mainly because he be dead though. That's right, he be dead though, doink. And he also be a deading though. Fool! Remember, turn off the lights. We don't want anyone, we don't want to waste the electricity. Dead simple, completed, great. Next level, also I got 5 stars, epic skills, next level. But I think about this game, there is text. You can read it, if you want to. I won't. Because I'm here for just the murdering, the gun shooting, that. Okay, actual first level. Okay, look at this, we're gonna perform fucking execution. Bang. 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 Guess who got banged? It was me. That sounds wrong. Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you. Why? Bang. Nope. Just close the door. Wait. Perfect. Okay. A boogaboo. Up, dead as dicks. Yeah, I think I'm gonna skip the in-between things and just straight to the next mission. Sparkles. Anyway, this is the next level. We have to go find drugs called ash. Doesn't exist in the real world. Hammer, 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 hammer. Hammer, hammer. Hammer! Straight to the knees. It's my specialty, if you will. You know what else is my specialty? Headshots. Knock knock. I said knock knock, bitch. Jehovah's Witness. Okay. Oh fuck. Hi back. Ow. Piss. Yeah, we're gonna get back to that point. Alright, we're back. That went past in like a flash for you guys, not for me. Very boring for me. Just get the drugs, Leblowski, boink boink. Easy and simple, just how I like. I wonder why somebody would have a toilet on their first floor. Oh well, time to get back home, I guess. Next mission, smoke signals. We have to destroy every single drug. We can do this silently / stealthily, but we could do it my way. Jehovah's Witness. Yoink. Bye. Fucking fools. Jehovah's Witness. Oh. Poor. That. Okay, that. Okay, I'm gonna cut those out. Cause fuck, that did not work. Knock knock. It's Jehovah's Witness. Bang bang. Fool, I see perfectly in darkness. Time to unload everything onto this big guy. Okay, perfect. Okay, great. Wait, no, there's some ash down there. I have to go get that real quick. Then I have to go. Ash taken care of. Bang, bang, bang. Yeah, bitch, come at me. Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you. Jeez, that guy can take a beating. Nope. Don't. Shh, okay, two shotguns straight to the face. Nope, silence. Perfect. Okay, well that's everything done here. Oh wait. I forgot to close the front door. Whatever. Next mission. We're in the next mission. Puff, the magic dragon. Roland. Okay, great. He knows I'm here. Time to shoot them down. Just don't even. Okay, I'm gonna fucking... Nope! That could have been bad. Quickly get this. Of course he's... Can you please fuck off? Hey! I mean, what happened to weird. Weird. Okay, good. There we go. Problem fixed. Yep. Stuff. Okay. Well, mission over. Turn off lights. Open door. Close door. And we leave now. Okay, before the next mission, we're gonna pop down to good old Sharon the ferryman and buy some new weapons. Like anything of this. I do not know which one, however. I'll grab the 9mm and the should I get one of these? And death and taxes. I mean, a man's gotta pay his taxes somehow, right? I mean, you don't. Thank God I have infinite ammo, ain't that right? Okay, 5th level. Follow the hounds. We have a bunch of Cerberus. Cerberus? It's my favorite weapon. My taxes and death. Knock, knock. Jehovah. Yoink. Knock, knock. Jehovah. Oh my god, that alarm's fucking genius. Fool. There we go. Oh, hi. Okay, job done. Leave my gun. Yeah, no, we're not gonna. No, we're just not gonna do that. And perfect. That was just my successful fire. Oh well. Next mission. Okay, you know, I'm gonna edit something in with the numbers so I don't say number 5 and whatever. So this is the boogeyman mission where I have to be the local boogeyman and murder. Fuck, now everybody knows I'm here. It's all good though. You know, this is an actual fucking genius plan of mine. You see, you can't be a genius without spelling genius. Mind the stabbings. I'm gonna stab whoever comes up here. Oh, that did not go good. Okay, we're back to the point where we were. We're gonna now murder someone. I'm gonna go in this vent just to check. Anything murderable? Perfect murdering. Excuse me, sir. No, I would like my. Oh, I'm never getting that knife back. Poor. Guess I'll grab the suppressed whatever this thing is. 9mm, that's the one. Knock, knock. I would like to ask about cheat. Run away. Actually, no. Grab the shotgun. Shoot that thing. And ooh, then run away. Oop. Nope, that could have been bad. Holy shit. Actually, wait, hold on. Just hold on. Haha, you'll never see this coming anyway. Yep. Thanks. A peekaboo. Up. Mission cleared. I guess, so, yeah. Return to base. Righto, next mission. No vacancy. Headless zombies. Gargle, gargle. Look at me. I'm so big, stoop. I'm gonna go fucking nail that guy straight in the skull. What a fucking idiot. Yeah. I got exploded, holy shit. There we go, fast murderer. That's what they called me in the good old fucking school. Die. Good. That's taken care of. Actually, I'll grab this again. And then I will do something only a few people know of. Okay. That did not work. Okay. More stealthy approach. I got this. Trust me, I got this. Okay, good. And we all virtually agree that I got this. Boy. Okay, perfect. Okay. Nailed it. That's what I be talking about, my bro. That's that one cleared out and dead. Yeah, what fucking fools. Oh no. Okay. I died so many times on that map. Finally it's fucking done. Christ. I just wanted to spare you guys the boringness that was dying 5 times over. This is just tedious. Okay, there we go. I got all that I need. And time to fuck off. This is gonna be the final video. Final video? No. Final part. Yep, you know. This is where the video concludes. Hope you guys had a nice time watching this video. Please like and subscribe and all the rest of the shit you do on YouTube when you find a YouTuber that you like. Depends on if you like me or not, but that's up to you. Well, bye guys. Roll the outro.